Students, let us move on to another topic in organic chemistry, hydroxy compound and ethers. We have already learned in 11th standard that the hydrolysis of alkyl halide gives an alcohol. Alcohols are an organic compound containing hydroxyl functional group. The general representation of alcohol is ROH. Here R is the alkyl group or aryl group and OH is the functional group. Alcohols find application in many areas like medicine, industries, etc. For example, methanol is used as an industrial solvent, ethyl alcohol an additive to petrol, isopropyl alcohol as a skin cleanser for injection, etc. The hydroxyl group of alcohol can be converted into many other functional groups. Hence, alcohol are important in synthetic organic chemistry. In this unit, we will learn the preparation, properties and uses of alcohols, phenols and ethers. First, we will see the classification of alcohols. Alcohol can be classified based on the number of hydroxyl group and nature of the carbon to which the functional group is attached. Depending upon the number of hydroxyl group attached to the carbon atom, it's classified into two types. One is monohydric alcohol and another one is polyhydric alcohol. Monohydric means containing only one OH group. Monohydric alcohol means the compound containing only one OH group. For example, CH3, CH2, OH. Polyhydric means containing more than one OH group. Compound which containing more than one OH group are called polyhydric alcohols. Examples for polyhydric alcohols: dihydric alcohol which containing two OH group. Example, glycol. IUPAC name for this compound is ethane 1,2 diol. Trihydric alcohol which containing 3 OH group, 1, 2, 3 OH group. General name of this compound is glycerol. IUPAC name is propane 1, 2, 3 triol. The third one is hexahydric alcohol which containing 6 OH group. Example, sorbitol. IUPAC name for this compound is hexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexol. Monohydric alcohol, again it is classified into two types: OH group attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon and OH group attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Example for this, vinyl alcohol. And this OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon is classified into three types: OH group attached to alkyl group, allyl group and aryl group. And this compound, again it is classified into primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. These are all the classification of alcohols. Come students, let us learn the IUPAC nomenclature of hydroxyl compound. In 11th standard, we had a detailed study about this topic. Let us recall the basic rule to name the hydroxyl compound. The first rule is we have to select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing the functional group. The second one is number the carbon atoms in the chain so that the carbon bearing the OH group has the lowest possible number. And third one is if there is any substituent, we have to give name for the substituent. The last rule is following this order: prefix, root word, primary suffix, secondary suffix. We have to write the name of the compound. Let us see some of the example. The first one is this compound. According to the rule, we have to select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing the functional group. So this is the longest chain. Second one, we have to give the number to the carbon atom so that the carbon which bearing the OH group should get lowest possible number. So we have to give the number to the carbon atom. So 1, 2, 3. And there is no substituent, then we have to write the name of the compound now. 1, 2, 3 carbon is there. 3 carbon means the root word is propane. So from the name, remove the E letter and add this OL. So IUPAC name for this compound is propane 2-ol. Common name is isopropyl alcohol. And next compound, here we have to select the longest chain. So 1, 2, 3. We can select the longest chain like this. Second rule, give the number to the carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3. This is the second rule. And if there is any substituent, yes, we have one substituent here. One methyl group is attached to the second carbon atom. So name of the compound should be written as 2-methyl. This is the substituent, 2-methyl. Then root word is 3 carbon atom is there. So propane. In second carbon, the OH group is attached. So 2-ol. This is the IUPAC name for this particular compound. Common name, tertiary butyl alcohol. Common name, tertiary butyl alcohol. Now we can move on to the third compound. So according to the rule, select the longest chain. This is the chain which containing OH group, and there is one substituent here, methyl group. So the name of the compound should be written as, so we have to give name for the carbon atom, number for the carbon atom. So 1, 2, 3. Now shall we write the name of the compound? Yes. First we have to write the substituent. In second carbon we have one substituent. So 2-methyl. Root word of this compound is 3 carbon is there. So propane. In first carbon the OH group is attached. So 1-ol. IUPAC name of the compound is 2-methyl propane 1-ol. And common name is isobutyl alcohol. The next one is, come to this compound. Here this is the chain we have to select, long chain we have to select, which containing the OH group. And to this compound chain, one substituent is attached. So first we have to give the prefix name phenyl. Phenyl. Only one carbon is there. So methane. All. So the name of the compound is phenyl methanol. IUPAC name is benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. The next compound, so this is the next one is, we have a cyclic compound here. So this is cyclohexane. To the cyclohexane, the OH group is attached. So the name of the compound is cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol. IUPAC name is similarly cyclohexyl alcohol. Cyclohexyl alcohol. The last one is, see this compound, and here how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. So 3 carbon atom is there. Give the number to the carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. All the 3 carbon atoms containing the OH group, hydroxyl group, is attached to all the 3 carbon atoms. So first you have to find out its root word. 3 carbon atom, so root word is propane, and all the 3 carbon atoms contain the OH group. So 1, 2, 3 propane, 1, 2, 3 triol. IUPAC name of this compound is propane 1, 2, 3 triol, and common name is glycerol. Common name of this compound is glycerol. So the first rule is select the long chain. Second one is give the number to the carbon atom so that the carbon which bearing the OH group has the lowest possible number. And third one is we have to give the name prefix name for the substituent. The last one is following this order: prefix, root word, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Following this order, we have to give the name for the particular compound. Thank you.